What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another bang. In today's video, we're gonna be going over all the heat that is dropping in the month of August. If you guys do want to see the shoes that are gonna be dropping this month, that are gonna be bringing you so much money in, make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole entire video so you don't miss out on a single sneaker. Now, guys, I ain't gonna lie, man. This month is gonna be filled with some heat. We're gonna be seeing a bunch of Jordan 1s. Women's exclusives. We're even going to be seeing some unions possibly dropping this month. I'm going to be going over all the shoes in this video, as well as the resale predictions and retails of each shoe. Now, if you guys are new to the channel and aren't subscribed yet, you know what I'm saying? What are you doing? You feel me? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you do like sneaker content. Also, leave in the comment section what's your favorite shoe off of this list after you watch the video. Let me know what you guys' favorite shoe is in the comment section, and what's the resale predictions that you have for that shoe. Alright, guys, so starting off on August 6th, we do have the Jordan 1 Satin Snakes. Now, this is going to be a woman's exclusive shoe, which means the bigger sizes are going to do best because those are the sizes that men are going to gravitate to, and they're going to be retailing for $170. And resale is looking like it's going to be from $260 to anywhere from $400 plus. Now, these shoes are very hyped in my opinion. I do like these shoes, you know what I'm saying? Even though a woman's exclusive, you feel me, man? They give me a 12. Yeah, seriously. But hey, man, these shoes are very hyped. Make sure you guys get your hands on these if you can. I'm telling you, if you hold these over time, these are gonna go up in value. Now, on the next day after that, we do have the Jordan 1 Co. Japan Tokyo dropping. These are also referred to as the silver metallics. Now, these are pretty hyped as well, and it is going to be two versions dropping. It's going to be a version dropping that's only happening exclusively in Japan. It's going to be only 2,020 pairs made. And these are going to be retailing for $170 and coming with a special box. And resale on these with the special box is going to be $1,000 plus. There's also going to be a worldwide release for this shoe, which is going to include a regular box, not the special box. So, you know what I'm saying, the resale is going to be all the way down for these shoes. Not all the way, it's still going to have some resale, but not as much as the exclusive ones. Now, the ones with just the regular box that's going to be releasing worldwide, resale is expected to be $250 to $350 depending on what size you do get. But in my opinion, just make sure you guys do go for this shoe. Easy money, you feel me? Can't go wrong. Now, on August 12th, the Jordan 1 Space Hippie is rumored to be dropping. These, of course, are going to be retailing for $170 US. Resale is looking anywhere from $190 to $250. And these aren't like too appealing, you feel me? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. In my opinion, I'm really not rocking with them like that, you know what I'm saying? They are made from like actual recycled materials. Now, guys, next on the list, we do have the Jordan 1 Zoom Rage Green. Now, it is two possible release dates for this shoe, which is going to be either August 14th or August 18th. Now, people are leaning more towards August 18th for this release, so we're going to go ahead and say it's going to be on August 18th. Retail is going to be $170, and resale is not looking too good for these shoes. The most you probably could make on these shoes is going to be lunch money, so, you know what I'm saying, if you do go for this shoe, just expect to make maybe $30 to $50 profit max. And if not, I mean, you know what I'm saying, some alright personals. In my opinion, I'm not really rocking with them. Let me know what you guys think. But these are some easy shoes for lunch money. Now, guys, on the 15th of August, the highly anticipated Jordan 4 Union is rumored to be dropping. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but you know what I'm saying, I can get my hands on the last Unions that did drop. Now, these Unions, like the pictures that we've seen, you know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying, they're not looking too good. They kind of look suck. Now, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna pop some pictures up right here. Now, people have said that these aren't accurate with the actual shoe that's going to be coming out. And on the other hand, some people are saying this is an actual shoe that's going to be dropping, but nobody really knows. So make sure you guys do stay tuned on my channel. I will be updating you on the actual shoe that's going to be dropping in the day that it's going to be dropping on. Now, on the 21st of August, we will be seeing the Jordan 3 Women's Laser Orange. Now, once again, these are not going to be resellable. These are only going to be lunch money or good for personals. So if you guys do want to go for these, just make sure you're going to be rocking them for the foot. Or either you know what I'm saying, like, I don't know why you want to make $20 and go through all that shipping and Corona, you feel me? But guys, make sure if you do go for these, don't be expecting any profit at all when it does come to these shoes. Now, the next shoe we're going to be seeing is a Jordan 12 Indigo, or they call it the Jordan 12 Obsidians, you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to call it. And these also have two releases. The first one is going to be on August 8th, and the second one is possibly on August 22nd. And once again, people are leaning towards the later date, which is August 22nd, so we are going to go with that one. Now, people speculate these to perform just like the past black and yellow Air Jordan 12s that just dropped. They expect to perform just like that. And you know what I'm saying, resellers looking, you know what I'm saying, might be a little something, you feel me? Reseller is $230 to $280 on these specific sneakers. So if you guys do want to go for these, you know what I'm saying, it could be an easy flip, just a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying, get a couple pairs, you should be good with it. Alright guys, and for the last Jordan of the month, on that 27th of August, we will be seeing the Jordan 3 Denim Fire Red. Now reselling on this shoe is looking like it could go from $200 to $240. So just expect that when you are going after this shoe, and this is going to be one of the last Jordans dropping for the month of August. Now keep in mind, I only went over most of the bangers that are dropping this month, you feel me? So like if I did miss some shoes, they're most likely not bangers, because you know what I'm saying, we only cover bangers over here, you feel me? But yeah, now there is some Yeezys that are rumored to be dropping as well this month, so let's go over those real quick. Alright guys, so the first Yeezy that is rumored to be dropping is the Yeezy 350 Israfil. Now it is a countdown timer on Yeezy supply as we speak, you feel me? And people speculate that this could be for the Israfil. So I would keep an eye out for that, because these shoes are possibly going to be dropping in the near future. So make sure you guys do keep an eye out on that timer on Yeezy supply. Now resell on the shoe is speculated to perform kind of like the Zions did the past Yeezy drop. Resell is looking about $275 to $380 for this specific sneaker. Alright, now the last shoe that is speculated to be dropping in the month of August is the Yeezy 700 Azareth. Now bro, these boys is so nice, you feel me? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section, but these boys are so nice in my opinion, so high. Nice, cool little 700, and if you guys do know about them 700s, they do go for some money, so make sure you guys do get your hands on these if you possibly can. And the retail on these boys is going to be $200, and resale could be going from $400 plus, you feel me? Make sure you guys, if you do get these shoes, make sure you hold these, because these are going to go up in value over time. Mark my word. Now if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys comment what's your favorite shoe off of this list, because I'm actually like curious to know, you feel me? I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been your boy.